Watch this.
Burger, you are under arrest for harming human health. I was just being sold here! You caused obesity and illness. I never meant to hurt anyone. You knowingly damaged people's health. I was created to taste good, not to destroy lives.
You are guilty of harming human health.
Please give me another chance.
If you believe I deserve another chance, please like, share, and support this video.
As you know that we only teach free methods to create viral videos using AI, so here we are with another one. To create these fast food arrest videos, you will need a master prompt, which you will find in my description. Keep in mind, this master prompt is engineered in such a way that you can use this for creating unlimited different fast food videos for your channel. The prompt is quite long. However, you only need to edit the user input section. Do not edit anything else in the prompt. In the user input section, the first field is unhealthy food item, accused. Here, you will write the name of the food item you want to use in your video. For example, in this video, we will choose burger. Next, you will see original real-world location. This means the place from where the food item will be arrested. If the food item is a burger, we can arrest it from Burger King. So in that section, you will simply write Burger King. If the item is coffee, you can arrest it from Starbucks, so you would write Starbucks there. The last field is channel branding name. Here, you will write your channel name. The arrested fast food character will have a badge around its neck, and your channel name will be written on that badge. For example, we can write Josep's AI. That's it. You only need to edit these three things. The rest of the master prompt has been carefully designed and engineered so that ChatGPT will automatically generate all the dialogues, image prompts, and video prompts for you. You just eat, upload, sleep, and repeat. Our prompt will handle everything. Now, copy the entire master prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. After clicking on Generate, you will receive a ready-made image prompt and a video prompt for each scene. For scene 1, you will get an image prompt, and right below it, the video prompt. The same goes for scene 2, scene 3, and so on. Every scene already has its image and video prompts prepared. You do not need to create anything manually. To generate the images, we will go to Grok AI. In the Imagine section, copy the scene 1 image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the Type to Imagine box. In the image settings, select the 9:16 aspect ratio, then click on Generate. After a short time, your images will be ready. Choose the one you like the most. Once you select the image, click on Make Video. Before generating the video, remove the existing text in the prompt box and paste the video prompt provided by ChatGPT for that same scene. Then, in the video section, select the 9:16 aspect ratio again and click on Generate. After some time, your video will be ready. If you like the video, click on Upscale. But if you are not satisfied with the result, simply click on Redo to generate another version. Once the HD tag appears, it means the video has been upscaled to the highest possible quality, and you can download it. If you want to learn how to generate unlimited videos from Grok totally free like me, watch the video linked in the description. Now, repeat the same process for scene 2. Copy the scene 2 image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Grok AI, select 9:16, and generate the image. Choose the image you prefer, then click on Make Video. Paste the corresponding scene 2 video prompt into the box, confirm that 9:16 is selected, and click on Generate. Once the video is ready, upscale it to HD and download it if you are satisfied. If not, use the Redo option. Use the same method to generate scene 3, scene 4, and scene 5. All image and video prompts are already created for you, so you do not need to write or design anything manually. After generating all the video clips, import them into your video editor in the correct order. Make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16. Then export the final video. I am not going to step-by-step describe these basics and waste your time, and that's it. Your ready-made cinematic video is complete. See you in the next video. Keep watching and keep supporting.